3 years ago, this wasn't possible. Making money online with minimal effort sounded unrealistic. But today, everything has changed. Artificial intelligence is no longer something in the future. It's already part of your daily life. And whether you realize it or not, you're already using it. But here's what most people are missing. AI is not just a tool for convenience. It's a tool for opportunity. For the first time ever, regular people now have access to powerful systems. That used to require teams, money, and experience. But there's one problem. Just having access to these tools doesn't guarantee success, because tools don't make money. People do. And if you don't understand how to use them properly, they're useless. So in this video, I'm going to show you a smarter way. Right now, most beginners are stuck, jumping from one idea to another, trying dropshipping, Amazon, apps, and everything in between. But nothing really works. And over time, it becomes frustrating. You start doubting yourself. But let me tell you something clearly. It's not your fault. You've been choosing business models that were never meant for beginners. They require money, experience, and sometimes even a team, which puts you at a disadvantage from the very beginning. That's why most people fail. Not because they're lazy, but because the system is too complicated. So the real question is, what actually works for beginners? You need something simple, low risk, and scalable. And right now, one of the best options is digital products. These are things like ebooks, guides, templates, or simple online courses. The biggest advantage, you create it once, and you can sell it again and again, with no extra effort, no inventory, no shipping, no warehouse. And with AI, the process becomes even easier. What used to take months can now be done in hours, sometimes even minutes, which means anyone can start, even without experience. Now let's talk about how to actually do it. Step 1. Find a specific problem. Not something broad, but something focused. For example, instead of fitness, think home workouts for beginners over 40. The more specific you go, the less competition you face, and the easier it becomes to sell. Step 2. Use AI to create the product. You can generate ideas, write content, design layouts, even create visuals. AI becomes your assistant, helping you build faster. Step 3. Turn it into a product. Something simple like an ebook is more than enough to start. The goal is not perfection. The goal is speed and testing, because once something works, you can always improve it later. Now here's where things get interesting. Once your product is ready,